Hello students, welcome to my channel, and if you find this video useful for you, then please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Okay, so today's topic is weather and climate. See, Earth is a unique planet with atmosphere around it and water on it. Also, different parts of the world have different climates and different weathers. Okay, so what is weather and what is climate? So weather is the state of atmosphere over a short period of time. See, during a day we can see many changes in the weather. That is, morning it is pleasant, then during the day it is hot or it may be shiny, sometimes it rains, and in the evening it gets cooler, and at night also it is sometimes cooler but sometimes it is humid. So these conditions of atmosphere changes during a day, and these changes are nothing but the changes in weather. So what is weather? Weather is the state of atmosphere over a short period of time. We say that weather changes many times during a day. That means the atmosphere condition changes many times in a day, or it can be the change which takes place in the atmosphere. Weather means the change that takes place in the atmosphere. Okay, then what is climate? During a day weather changes many times. Okay, then what is climate? Climate is the long term pattern of weather in a particular area. Suppose if the weather pattern of a region is recorded and tracked for more than 30 years, then it is called the climate of that region. See, weather of a particular region is recorded and tracked for more than 30 years, and after that it is confirmed that the climate of that region is this. Means, suppose we take the example of desert area, and if you observe the records of last so many years, more than 30 years or more than 50 years, you observe the temperature over there, you will find that it is hot always. That means the climate of that desert is cold climate, hot climate, hot and dry climate. Okay, in opposite we can say the climate of cold regions, that is Antarctica and Arctic region, it is always cold. That means they are having cold climate. Why? Because they are always covered with snow. And if you see the temperature recorded over this Antarctica and Arctic region, you will see that it always very chilled. It is always cold. Okay, always having low temperatures. That means the climate of these places is cold climate. Okay, so climate is a long term pattern of weather. Means this weather does not changes there for long time, or we can say the pattern of weather does not changes in that particular area. Weather can change there, sometimes sunshine may be there, or in desert you can see during the day it is very hot, but during night it is very cold. So weather can change, but climate remains the same. Climate remains same for many years. So this is the difference between the weather and climate. Two terms are there. So we can say that the animals and plants in the regions, particular region, they also grow according to the climate. We know that Earth is a unique planet and different parts of it have different climates. So in some regions it is very cold and freezing like Antarctica and Arctic, and in some places it is very hot and dry like desert. So according to these climates, the variety of life exists there, because the climatic differences that are present in the different regions are different. So climates are different, so the animals and plants growing there, they are also different. The same pattern is noticed in the animals as well. Means if you take the examples animals, the variety of animals found on the earth varies according to climatic conditions. For example, animals such as polar bears and penguins that are found in the cold regions. or we can say polar regions. But camels you will find in the hot and dry deserts, because they can survive there. And these penguins and polar bears, they can survive in the cold regions. Okay, so animals also grow according to the climate. Then if you will take the example of plants, okay, example of plants, then we can say that apple they can grow in cold regions, you know? But if you take the example of cotton, then we can see the cotton can grow in hot places like plateaus areas or plains sometimes. And apple can grow in the cold areas like Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand and all. Okay, so from this we can say that animals and plants, they are having difference because of the climate. Okay, here one thing I want to tell you, that what is the meteorology, or we can say meteorology. Okay, the study of weather and climate. The study of weather, it is called meteorology, and the people who study weather, they are known as meteorologists. What they are known as? They are known as meteorologists. Okay, and the people who study climate, they are known as climatologists. Okay, these two terms you remember, it is of general knowledge questions. So the people who study climate of different places, they are known as climatologists, and people who study weather of different places, they are known as meteorologists. Okay, so now we have one more point here, that the culture, food, clothes, houses, occupations, they also change according to the climate. Climate also influences the development of cultures and civilizations also. People adapt themselves according to the climate of the place they live in. Okay, and the food they eat, clothes they wear, houses in which they live are also determined by the climate. Here we will take one example. See, the places which are having or which have very which have rainfall, there we can see the houses, they are made up of sloping roofs, and people which are living in the desert areas or the hot places, they are having their roofs, they are flat roofs in their homes. Okay, in the same way, people who which are living in the cold places, they wear woolen clothes or leather coats and gloves and mufflers and scarves. And people who are living in the hot regions, they wear mainly they like to wear cotton cloths or light colored clothes. Okay, so we can see that food also changes according to the climate. Food which is grown in that particular area, according to the climate, that food is eaten by the people. So the places which are near the sea, people used to eat seafoods, and in the polar region we can see there is no farming, so mainly the people, they are depend on the seafood, or we can say fish and other animals that are found there. Okay, so according to climate, food also changes, clothes also changes, houses also changes, the construction of houses and the material used for making houses, and also occupation. So people living in the plains, they are having farming as their main occupations. Then people who are living in the coastal areas, or we can say humid areas where large water bodies are there like seas and rivers and lakes, they are having fishing there as their main occupation. Okay, culture also changes according to the climate. So in this way we can say that culture, food, clothes, houses, occupation, they also change according to the climate. Okay, so people living in India, people live in different areas, different climate conditions, and they have different cultures. Okay, so the variety of farming is also there, means the vegetation is also different in different areas. In India we can see that just now I gave you example that apples cannot grow everywhere in India, they grow in the cold regions. In same way, cotton, sugarcane and pulses, they cannot be grown everywhere in India. Okay, because climate is different. Then we have some difference between the weather and climate. Okay, so what is weather and what is climate we have seen. Now what is the difference between them? Weather is the change in the atmosphere for a short period of time, and climate is the change in the atmospheric conditions over a long period of time. Second point, weather changes many times in a day and climate changes after a long period of time. Okay, and the third point, that is weather affects daily life of people. See, during a day sometimes it is morning, it is very sunny, and again you can see in the afternoon there is rainfall. So it affects the people of daily affects the life of people, daily life of people. Okay, but the climate affects all these things, that is food habits, what food is eaten by people in that particular region, then what are the transportation facilities according to the climate, then housing, occupation and lifestyle of the people, just now we have seen here. So these are the three differences between the weather and climate. Okay, so here we will stop. In our next video we'll discuss about the factors affecting climate. So till then, take care. Goodbye.